Hey guys, it's Alex at HOGWORKZ, and today we're going to be bringing you a brand new product. These are our passenger peg crash bar frame sliders made in stainless steel. They're TIG welded, 1¼ tube. We got your Delrin sliders on there that are replaceable. These are gonna run on 2018 plus Softail models. Check out our website for your fitment. And today we're in the shop. We're gonna show you just how easy it is to get these on your ride. So a couple tools you're gonna need is a T45 Torx bit and a 7/32 Allen. We're gonna go ahead and remove these two screws right here on your subframe. Got the OEM screws out. The pegs are going to come with hardware, so we'll go ahead and install the foot peg with the provided hardware. All right, it's that easy, literally, guys. It's a 2-minute job. Go ahead and jump to the other side and do the same exact thing. With your T45, go ahead again, remove the 2 screws. Get your peg, take your provided screws. Go ahead and I like to get both of them started, and then kind of leave that one loose for just a minute till we finish this one up here. All right, guys, that's all there is to it right there. And these will pair really well with our stainless crash bar for your 2018 to current Softail models. So go on over to hogworks.com, check out the fitment table, and get you some stainless parts to protect your ride.